In today's video I will show you step by step why OBS is stopping streaming on your device. So what you will notice is once you start streaming, you'll be streaming for a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, and then what will happen is that your stream will then cut out. So this is something that I had a problem with myself, and this is how I did sort this out and fix this problem. So once you've got OBS open, right, what we can do first of all to check is we can go to the bottom right hand corner and click on settings. Once we click on settings, it will open up this window right here with all our settings in. We can then come over to the left hand side bar here, scroll down until you see the option for hotkeys, click on this, and then what we want to start off by looking at is start streaming and stop streaming. So what we want to do is make sure that there is no hotkeys inside here. So what this might be set to is, let's just say F1, or it might be set to S to start or stop streaming. So what we want to do is we want to go to the trash can icon right here, click on this and just remove anything that is inside this stop streaming box right here. So this way, once you are playing on a game, for example, or you are streaming whatever you are streaming, once you click this hotkey, that will then not stop your stream. So this is what worked for me, and this is how I did fix my problem, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.